Hey everyone, welcome back to the Gold and Silver Update, brought to you by the top-rated precious metals company, Goldco. I'm your host, Ron, and thanks for spending some time with us today. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave any questions you have right in the comments below. So, what's on the agenda for today? Well, here's a good one for you. The state of Florida literally just legalized gold. That's right, gold as legal tender is now the law of the land in the Sunshine State. According to Fox 13 in Tampa, Governor Ron DeSantis signed a bill Tuesday, May 27, 2026, to start the process of making gold and silver legal tender in Florida. Ron DeSantis explained at the signing ceremony that this legislation will authorize money services businesses to accept gold and silver coins that meet specific purity standards. The bill requires all coins to be stamped with weight, purity, and mint of origin. So why did Governor DeSantis sign this bill? Well, that's where it gets interesting. And guess what? He didn't mince any words about his reasoning. He said, "When I was in college at the turn of the century, the national debt was about $5.6 trillion. Now it's over $36 trillion. Governor DeSantis stated that this is our ability to give you the financial freedom to be able to protect yourself against the declining value of the dollar. He also brought attention to the fact that gold has tripled in value since 2015, while because of inflation, paper money is buying less. So what do you think about this? Would you be interested in buying something using gold and silver instead of dollars? And do you think Governor DeSantis is onto something here? Should other states follow in Florida's footsteps? As always, we'd love to know what you think, so put that in the comments below. And if Florida's news wasn't a good enough reason to look into gold and silver, well, I've got another story for you. The U.S. credit rating has officially been downgraded due to an increasing burden of the federal government's budget deficit. It sounds familiar, right? So here are the facts. This downgrade could send borrowing costs much higher. Mortgage rates have already climbed above 7% after the news dropped, adding in even more pain for stressed homebuyers. And on top of all of that, billionaire hedge fund manager Ray Dalio sounded the alarm that the risks are far worse than they may seem. According to an article from CNBC, Bridgewater founder Ray Dalio said Moody's downgrade of the U.S. credit rating does not take into account the risk of the federal government printing money to pay its debt, and bondholders would suffer losses due to the depreciating value of the money they're getting paid. So what can you do to protect your money and savings? Well, that brings us to, you guessed it, gold and silver. You see, Mr. Dalio isn't just simply warning the world about the financial risks he sees in the future. He's actually putting his money where his mouth is with a massive $319 million bet on gold in Q1 of this year. Dalio has been known to stress the importance of diversification and has supported holding gold to mitigate risks associated with fiat currencies and geopolitical tensions. Really, it's no surprise. So if you're looking to learn a little more about how precious metals might be able to help you, and why thousands of Americans are turning to precious metals to potentially help safeguard their savings, well, just give a call to the top-rated precious metals company, Goldco. You see, Goldco works directly with mints around the world to source gold and silver coins directly from the mints that produce them, ensuring that the gold and silver you buy is 100% authentic. And with over 6,000 five-star reviews and over $3 billion in precious metals placement, Goldco has built a reputation as one of the best and most trusted companies in the country. And Goldco is offering a free gold and silver kit to help inform you about how gold and silver can help. It will ship directly to your doorstep. All you have to do is click on the link below to get yours. Well, that's it for today's market update. And please don't forget to show us some love with a thumbs up and a click on that subscribe button. Until our next glittering journey, stay curious and keep shining.